Hello everyone, in this video we are going to be using Python to find the distance between two cities, and yes, it is actually possible to find distance between two cities using Python. And for doing this work we are going to be using a package called as GeoPy. So let's get started. Now before getting started we need to actually import this GeoPy package, and for doing so I'll write from geocoders import nominate, and on the second line I'll say from GeoPy import distance. So firstly we'll create an instance of the nominatim package. Now what nominatim actually is, it is a collection of functions which has information related to the location of a particular city or the latitudes and longitudes of different cities or places. So I'll create a variable called as geolocator. Inside it I'll write nominatim user agent equals geo API exercises, and now I'll declare the cities which I want to find the distance between. So I'll say C1 is Mumbai, C2 is Chennai. So after we have declared the cities, now we'll actually find the exact locations of these cities, and for doing so I'll say location 1 is geolocator.geocode the location of city 1, location of city 2 is geolocator.geocode city 2. Now I'll also add a comment over here so it gets easier to understand. These variables have the exact location of the cities. Now I'll just firstly print it so that we know that the data stored in this variables is the correct data, L1 and L2. I'll just run this program. So yeah, as we can see, we get Mumbai suburban Maharashtra India, and Chennai district Tamil Nadu India. So yeah, it is, we are sure that the program till now is running quite good. Moving forward, we'll find the latitude and longitude of these cities, and for doing so I'll say location 1 is, I'll create a tuple, and inside that I'll say L1 dot latitude and L1 dot longitude or longitude, whatever you call it. And similarly for the second city we'll write something similar, but just L2 over here, and location 2. So we are all set. Now finally we are going to use the distance function, distance, and inside I'll say location 1 and location 2, and I want the distance in kilometers, so I'll write km, and also just add a kilometers after the result comes. So we are all set. Now I'll just again run this. So python locate.py, and we get the exact distance, which is 1031.779 kilometers. So this is the exact distance between Mumbai and Chennai, which we found through Python. So it was quite easy, just a few lines of code and you get the answer. There are many more packages in Python which are not very well known but are very useful, so I'll be putting videos on them too very soon. So stay on with us, and I hope you like this video. So thank you.